Welcome to section 5. In section 5, we will go through different Cisco switching technologies. And as the first video of this section, I'm going to introduce you MAC address. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, let's review some key facts about MAC address. MAC address is a layer 2 address, and it is globally unique. How? I will show you in next slide. Hardware address and physical address are other names of MAC address. MAC address is a burned-in address in your network interface card's ROM. So this is why we call it a hardware address, because it's burned into the hardware. And it is 48 bits. And to show this 48 bits, we use hexadecimal basis. So we will have 12 hex characters to show each MAC address. MAC address representation is different within different operating systems. For example, Microsoft shows MAC addresses like this. Each two characters are separated by a dash. But in Cisco operating systems, we represent MAC addresses like this. Each four characters are separated by a dot. This is how we deal with MAC addresses in Cisco operating systems. As I mentioned in the previous slide, MAC address is globally unique. But who is responsible for this global uniqueness, and how does it do that? IEEE is responsible for keeping MAC addresses globally unique. How? By assigning the first 24 bits to each company. So the first 24 bits of each MAC address is assigned by IEEE to the manufacturer companies, and it is called OUI, or Organizationally Unique Identifier. And the next 24 bits is assigned by company to different network adapters. So in this way, we can guarantee MAC addresses are globally unique.